Hello, my name is Өскен Сайфулла. I'm from 127th Middle School, named after Уәлиханов, and my chosen type of job is financier. I see myself as a future financier, and the reason why I chose this type of job is I want to improve my financial literacy at first, and at second, it is suitable with my math skills. And in this slide, I want to introduce you with the origin of this type of job. The profession of financier appeared at the same time with nationhood and therefore nation treasury, which needed to be properly controlled. So they made a new type of job, financier. Financier is a person who profits from large financial transactions as a profession. In this bar chart, you can see some unknown facts about financiers. According to statistics, 62% of financiers have made a good balance between their personal life and work. And therefore, 59% of financiers work less than 10 hours a day, which is very low comparing to other types of jobs. And only 10% of financiers spend more than 10 hours a day to their job. And in this slide, you can see some famous financier names. The first is John Rockefeller. He is the most known as the richest man in the history. And the second one is Warren Buffett. He's a financier and entrepreneur, but right now he's most known as one of the biggest investors in the world. And the last one is Jordan Belfort. You might know him from the movie which is about this man's life. It's called The Wolf of Wall Street, and he works as a speaker right now. And here you can see the answer for the question, what qualities do I need to be a good financier? Here's the list: mathematical abilities, responsibility, independence, strategical thinking, ability to see short-term opportunities and long-term perspectives, and stress resistance. And don't forget that financier is a very stressful type of job. Here we can see some pros and cons of financing. Let's begin with advantages. The first is prestigious and respectable work. The second, adaptability of the professional skills in the personal life, which means that you can use your financier skills to manage your own finances. And the next is opportunity to work in various types of organizations. And the last one is high level of profits. Let's see disadvantages. The need to always watch the trends and changes in global economy, which might be very stressful, and the absence of any